We need to get back to the basics and go improve our products and services. Now again, quality isn't just the product or the service, it's having the right product, knowing where the market's going and having the most innovative products.
And the quality of the product and service must contain innovative elements.
And that single shift is everything, in my opinion, because in that shift is a tremendous optimistic point of view about the people that work in a company.
Authority should be empowered to people that work for their own processes, teach them how to measure them, understand and improve them.
They will improve the processes if there's a mechanism for it.
Lean management is a framework made up of a philosophy, implementation, and principles which aim to create greatest value to society, customers, and individuals and develop innovative organization by people in all levels within an organization for continual improvement. Welcome to Innocorp Talks channel. In this channel, Sam will analyze and share the industry leader's secret and strategy in profitability, resilient and innovative ability for continual business growth and improvement. In this video, we delve into the importance of understanding the mind method behind lean management rather than just the techniques applied for manufacturing and operation management. After a series of COVID restriction abandoned from various countries in the world, the economic activities across different countries restart again in early of 2023. Majority of people hope that the global economy will be recovered and back to normal after the global pandemic emergency event. However, the actual outcomes is not what we expected.
Big tech announcing a slew of layoffs this year.
Tech giants Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and Meta starts layoffs simultaneously since 2022. From 22 to November of 24, more than 1,000 tech companies laid off involving more than 570,000 employees. The wave of layoffs has been expanding from the technology sector to the financial, consumer and retail, automotive, healthcare, manufacturing, media, natural resources, and consulting. These giants becoming part of the increasing number of companies trimming their workforce. Faced with the aftermath of the pandemic and rising economic uncertainties, these corporate titans are recalibrating their strategies, stepping back from once aggressive hiring plans. So, how enterprises in different sectors stay competitive in the face of global economic instability? Many people said that digital transformation for products or services can help enterprises improve their sales. To a certain extent, yes, digital transformation do help enterprises to boost business in short. As the trend and popularity of digital transformation, the use of e-commerce platform, cloud computing, customer relationship management system, and digital marketing becomes the mandatory tools for digital transformation, implying that the digital parity is getting higher and higher. Differentiation between enterprises become less. When most of the products or services in the market are being digitalized, what competitive advantage does the company's products or services stand out in the market, especially during the global economic adversity? Benchmarking from industry leaders in different sectors like Siemens, Microsoft, Netflix, Tencent, they did maintain sustainable growth in recent years, even in global economic adversity. What are their secret power of sustaining business growth beyond digital transformation? Having analyzed these corporations' business strategy, it is observed that they all adapting a change from their core business to disruptive while creating new growth from new products, services, or business models. We can simply use a word to describe it: innovation.
You asked for it, you got it, Toyota.
Innovation is not a new thing. From 70s to now, Japanese products or services gain a reputation for superior innovation and quality compared to others in the world. Innovation and quality being a mandate requirement of Japanese product or services. This is the everlasting success factor from a small, medium, or even giant enterprise in the world.
And we need to get back to the basics and go improve our products and services. Now again, quality isn't just the product or the service, it's having the right product, knowing where the market's going and having the most innovative products.
The goat of enterprise innovation, Steve Jobs, also mentioned that product and service quality is not established by marketing. Customers will form a vision of their quality through the experience of the product or service, and the quality of the product and service must contain innovative elements. When you hear the word innovation, you immediately feel that it is difficult and complicated. In fact, Steve Jobs said, "Innovation and creativity is the use of thinking, connecting things and ideas in different fields, and apply them to other products or services to solve problems and achieve valuable goals for customers."
And this is a radically different approach to business processes than the traditional one, because it's always done this way. And that single shift is everything, in my opinion, because in that shift is a tremendous optimistic point of view about the people that work in a company. It says these people are very smart, and if given the opportunity to change and improve, they will. They will improve the processes if there's a mechanism for it. And that optimistic humanism I find very appealing, and I think we have countless examples that it works.
So, how to nurture and develop innovation in an enterprise? During the time in Next, Steve have a new shift opinion in people management. Authority should be empowered to people that work for their own processes, teach them how to measure them, understand, and improve them. To become an innovative enterprise, the fundamental condition is to establish a working environment for collective innovative ideas creation, experimentation, and implementation in all levels. To achieve the collective innovation approach, people in all levels of an enterprise must fully train on how to create innovative ideas for new products, services, processes, or even business model. The generated innovative ideas then experiment and implement through the digital technology application. Lean management is such a collective innovative management approach that continually improved and applied for more than 100 years from Toyota. Lean management is a framework made up of a philosophy, implementation, and principles which aim to create greatest value to society, customers, and individuals, and develop innovative organization by people in all levels within an organization for continual improvement. At first, lean management focuses on defining, creating, and maximizing customer value in terms of products or services quality. Then establish products or services development roadmap based on quality requirements, and regularly review and innovate them. Then address any non-value-added activities in work or process, develop and implement innovative solutions through the application of technology. Finally, standardize the implemented innovative solutions with highest customer value creation as best practices within organization. Keep regular measure on any potential non-value-added activities and continually improve their work process. Although Toyota is an automaker, lean management has been widely adopted in other industries, including medical, banking, hospitality, retail, construction, software development, and government. Industry leaders Apple, Tesla, Bank of America, Hilton, and Marriott, which in different industry sectors employ lean management as strategy for innovation and improvement. Because of the distinctive framework of lean management and continual innovation and improvement, industry leaders in different industry sectors have developed their own lean management system to meet their industry and customer needs. People may ask, is lean management only suitable for large-scale enterprises? The answer is absolutely not. Both Toyota and Apple Computer were micro-enterprises at the very beginning, then developed gradually to become a world-class enterprises today. Their success depends on the company's promotion of lean management activities to nurture a sustainable, innovative, and improvement culture. In the next video, I will explain the success factors of the 5 key principles of lean management in depth and how to apply and develop a tailored lean management system for your enterprise. Thank you for watching.